Welcome to National Development Bank PLC. As an integral component of our annual report 2013 that is being released concurrently, let me share with you a snapshot of an eventful year gone by, with promise of more to come. Change is in the air. Sri Lanka's banking industry is not going to be what it used to be. The bank too is just not what it used to be. It is a scenario filled with opportunities as well as challenges. Let's first look at what drives us, what makes us special, and why. In short, our critical success factors. Ours is a unique business model built on synergy. We are a licensed commercial bank in form, but a universal bank in function. Our approach to development begins at the bottom of the pyramid to fulfill a customer's survival and safety needs. We nurture micro, small and medium entrepreneurs across the country with financial assistance and a host of complementary support services. In the middle market segment, we assist thousands of businesses across all industry sectors to blossom and grow. At the top end of the pyramid, we meet the needs for self-actualization through a full suite of commercial, development and investment banking products and services that are delivered seamlessly through a diversified financial conglomerate, the NDB Group. We continue to post exemplary financial results. A profit after tax of 7.7 billion rupees, inclusive of an exceptional equity gain. Successfully maintained a net interest margin of 3.74% despite an environment of thinning margins. Total assets crossed the 200 billion rupee threshold, comfortably ahead of the industry growth rate. Outperformed the industry once again in both advances and deposit growth. The NDB investment banking cluster also posted excellent results, earning local and global recognition in the process. We have ample space to grow, supported by a solid capital base. We raised a landmark 10 billion rupees through a debenture issue, the largest listed corporate debenture issuance to date in the country. Our capital adequacy ratios are well above the minimum regulatory requirements, giving us the space to realize our ambitious growth plans while maintaining a comfortable cushion against downside business risks. Our performance is driven by a focused strategy backed by an engaged board. We have articulated a strategic plan spanning 5 years, driven by a mature and industry-savvy board. It is designed for growth and to raise performance all round. Going forward, we see future profitability being strongly anchored by the effective deployment of technology and cost management. We maintain a balanced approach to corporate responsibility. It is a win-win approach that recognizes that the bank's ability to create sustainable value for itself is strongly linked to the value it creates for its stakeholders. This leads us to a three-pronged approach that balances operational, strategic, and philanthropic interests. Changes in the air. A roadmap for the banking sector was released by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka in January 2014. It is a much welcome direction in terms of bank consolidation in the country. As a first mover, we have already announced our intent of entering into merger talks to create a strong development bank, a bank that will support the economic resurgence of Sri Lanka. After all, size does matter.